He's in the ecstasy of the Shringa. He is Nrsingadev. Avesh means you are that. What does it mean, Shakti Avesh? Parasrama is a jiva. And when Bhagavan enters into him, he becomes Bhagavan and kills all the 21 times the Kshatriyas. And then it's called Shakti Avesh Avatar. Isn't it? This is told in Laghu Bhagavatamrita and other places. He's an empowered jiva. You think, oh, he's a jiva, I'm a jiva. Parasrama, get lost. Job. Acha? He had the power of God. That chopper was like a Sudarshan, was like 1,000 Sudarshan discs. He's like, pfft. But then Ramachandra came and whoop, withdrew the power. He took the power back. Took away his credit cards. Couldn't charge anymore. Then he went to the Himalayas. He's one of the Chiranjeevs doing meditation in the Himalayas, blessing Bharatiya Vasis. Bhagavan Parasrama ki, called Shakti Vesh Avatar. Vyasadeva, he's a jiva. He's writing. Sometimes Vishnu himself takes the role of Vyasadeva. And Brahma also. But generally it's a jiva. So he's empowered to write all these scriptures. Isn't it? So now the Lord himself has become the Shringadev.